From an impressive rise in fortune to a disturbing collapse, the unraveling of the 7 lakh crore rupees related to Adani Group. Watch for details. Ambition, resilience, transformation, these are the attributes that sum up the meteoric rise of the Adani Group, which was once the synonym for the meteoric growth of India's economy. Ports to power plants, airports to green energy, the footprint of the conglomerate seemed boundless. Yet since the beginning of 2023, this empire has been caught in a relentless storm that has pulverized 7 lakh crore rupees from investor wealth and set the financial world reeling. Everything started on the 24th January 2023 with a storm as a US-based firm Hindenburg Research came out with a devastating report claiming that the Adani Group had been involved in stock manipulation and accounting rigging for the past 30 years. It further claimed that the offshore entities were used by the group to create a false demand for their stocks in defiance of the regulations in place that dictated otherwise, presenting a very cloud corporate image. Immediate catastrophic fallout included the loss of tens of billions in mere days from market capitalization of 10 listed companies, flabbergasting just evaporating into thin air from the investors' pockets. While it appeared that the initial tempest had blown over in the months that passed after the Hindenburg report, fresh allegations in November 2024 once again set wounds ablaze. Scathing US court filings revealed a 2,000 crore rupees bribery scandal that alleged the Adani Group paid officials to secure lucrative energy contracts. This further prolonged dragging the conglomerate deeper into controversy. As of November 21, 2024, the market value of Adani's companies had plunged from 19.24 lakh crore in January 2023 to 12.24 lakh crores, a staggering 37% loss. The impact on investors. The numbers translate to more than just losses, they represent broken confidence. And for the Adani Group, whose stocks once shown as a relatively safe bet in the Indian economy that was shooting into orbit, fell as one of the symbols of instability. Retail investors, mutual funds, and globally goliaths have witnessed the sudden erosion of wealth. This is not just an economic blow, but a searing hit to the trust of investors. Rohit Sinha, a market analyst, said the damage of this crisis may influence other issues beyond the group and overall market sentiment may suffer. Adani Group is under increasing pressure from legal confrontations. The charges of bribery, if proven, could expose them to hefty fines, delisting them from global markets and leading to a loss of image beyond repair. Priya Mehta, legal expert, said the 2,000 crore rupees bribery charge is important. It is not merely a question of fines, it is an issue of trust with Adani as a global player. It may dissuade the investors or partners from being associated with the group. Despite the increasing pieces of evidence, the Adani Group stands firm and strongly dismisses the charges. It has labelled the Hindenburg report a calculated attack and called the bribery charges baseless and politically motivated. Denials, however, have done little to help restore confidence. The numbers speak for themselves, and the opaque dealings of the group have only fueled further skepticism. The Adani Group is at a crossroads today. To regain its footing, it will have to confront allegations, increase transparency, and rebuild investor confidence. But the road ahead is arduous, with world scrutiny mounting and litigation looming ahead. It is a cautionary tale for India, the importance of robust corporate governance and regulatory oversight that comes with this saga of the Adanis. It reminds one how even the greatest empire built can crumble when its trust is eroded.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.